When done right, setting up a self-service car wash business can bring in a pretty substantial cash flow. If you've been considering getting into the self-service car wash game, then first things first, you should know that it might not be as easy as you think. Sure, from the outside, it might look like a self-service car wash business basically just runs itself, but that couldn't be further from the truth. By no means is this a passive income business idea. You'll have to put in a lot of hard work while staying on top of numerous items to ensure that your self-service car wash business remains up and running and profitable. But if you're not afraid of getting your hands dirty and you're comfortable with balancing a bunch of unforeseen variables, it might be a small business idea that fits in perfectly with your lifestyle. Joining a self-service car wash franchise. While you might be tempted to start your own self-service car wash from the ground up, there are many benefits to having the support of a reputable, established franchise. So take this small piece of advice and save yourself the headache. One of the most well-known franchises is IQ Car Wash. They offer a selection of wash programs, including touch-free and soft touch. IQ encourages entrepreneurs to eventually own their own car wash, and franchise rates are available upon request. Another great option is JetPoint Car Wash. Right now, they are based out of Europe, but they are currently in the process of expanding to the global market. The initial cost of opening one of these franchises is about $30,000, and then the franchise fee is $2,500. However, it's estimated that these franchises can pull in a monthly net income of between $4,500 and $11,400. Some of the other car wash franchises you might want to look into include Fleet Clean USA, Green Shine, Detail Experts, and Monkey Shine. By no means are these the only franchise options out there, but they are a good starting point to get an idea of what you can expect. Research the competition. No matter what business you're starting, it's always a good idea to get an idea of what your competition is doing. For example, how do other successful self-service car washes in your area operate their business? Take note of their locations, incentives offered to keep their regulars happy, and what features set them apart. Of course, it should go without saying that the best place to put a self-service car wash is somewhere near a busy road or next to a grocery store, gas station, or garage. Invest in top-end equipment and detergents. If you want to keep your customers happy, which is easier said than done, you'll want to invest in high-quality washing equipment and supplies. Modern tech allows for a large number of vehicles to be washed per hour, but startup costs for self-service car washes can escalate quickly. Customers today are looking for things like green, biodegradable detergents, efficient water recycling systems with consistent spraying patterns, and modern touch panel controls that are intuitive to use. To ease the burden on your wallet, you might want to consider going into business with a partner or seek out some financing. Make payment easy. It's 2022 and nobody wants to pay for a car wash with change anymore. Make payment easy for your customers by adapting a cashless transaction system. The latest payment processing systems now offer multiple payment options, including debit and credit cards. Another decent way of accepting payment is by accepting digital tokens and currencies. Customers can use mobile apps to process payments or sign up for monthly membership plans. Offer monthly loyalty programs. Providing your customers with something like an unlimited car wash membership plan is a great way to retain your regulars. Not only will your customers be getting a better deal on each individual wash, but they'll be a lot more inclined to keep coming back. Add-ons to boost your profits. The best way to increase your profits is by offering extra services as upsells. For example, you can offer things like a vacuuming station, interior detailing services, or hand washes. Bottom line, starting a self-service car wash business isn't going to be easy. Prepare for regular and costly maintenance, nuisances like vandals and disgruntled customers, and the pressure of having to keep up with the trends in the car wash industry. If you can handle all of this, however, you should be able to pull in a pretty decent monthly income. And let's not forget, another way to boost your profits is by having a vending machine installed on site. In fact, if the car wash business is too intimidating, you can go all in on the vending machine business as we explain right here in this video. Check it out, and we'll see you in the next video.